All right, we got all the parts here in our ARP engine assembly room. We have everything staged. That way we can make sure that we have all the parts necessary. We're not missing anything of the part of the puzzle, and we'll take you through the process. All right, Daryl in our assembly room, he already got a head start. It has a crankshaft in it, has the rings filed and the pistons hanging on the rods. And he's gonna drop the Y-scope pistons in this Brodex block and we'll be along our way. All right, we got all 8 pistons and rods in the block, and Daryl now is going back and doing a final torque sequence. As you can see, he's using an ARP rod bolt stretch gauge to get proper torque on those rod bolts. Okay, here Daryl is checking and got a bridge on there and checking how far downhole the piston actually is. All right, here Daryl is installing the Ultra 9 cylinder head, getting it torqued down to spec, which is 75 foot-pounds with these head studs. Here Daryl's installing the valve train, starting off with the ISKI 937 lifter, going to a mat and push rod, and to a T&D rocker system. All right, after we get the entire valve train on, Daryl's checking the final piston and valve clearance, making sure we have enough clearance there that's necessary. And continuing on, we're gonna silicone the intake gaskets on, silicone the rails, and get this nice intake put on. All right, here I'm plumbing 4 scavenge lines going from our oil pan to our oil pump. Both are from Moroso, and this dry sump actually will provide vacuum to the motor. We will not be utilizing a vacuum pump, and with this dry sump system, most of the oil is going to be contained on an outside tank. All right, we're finishing up the plumbing process on this 632 combination. Next stop for this thing will be on our engine dyno. We'll break it in and find out some horsepower numbers.